Who really owns a corporation? It's a question that seems simple, but has a complex answer. Let's dive into the legal and practical aspects of corporate ownership. A corporation is a distinct legal entity, separate from its owners. This structure provides limited liability protection, shielding owners from personal responsibility for the company's debts. But if the corporation is its own entity, who actually owns it? The answer lies with the shareholders. These individuals or entities own shares of stock in the corporation, essentially pieces of ownership. However, being a shareholder doesn't mean having control over day-to-day operations. Instead, shareholders have specific rights and responsibilities. There are different types of shareholders, each with varying levels of influence. Common shareholders typically have voting rights, allowing them to elect the board of directors and vote on major corporate decisions. Preferred shareholders, on the other hand, often lack voting rights but have priority when it comes to receiving dividends or assets in case of liquidation. While shareholders are considered owners, they don't manage the company directly. That responsibility falls to the board of directors, elected by the shareholders. The board makes important decisions and oversees the company's management team. Ownership structures can vary significantly between public and private corporations. Public companies have shares traded on stock exchanges, allowing anyone to become an owner by purchasing stock. Private corporations, however, limit ownership to a select group, such as family members or a small number of investors. The Articles of Incorporation play a crucial role in defining ownership. This document, filed with the state, outlines the number of authorized shares and sets the foundation for corporate governance. It's essential for understanding the rights and limitations of ownership within a specific corporation. Despite being called owners, shareholders face certain limitations. They typically can't make operational decisions or directly access company assets. Their primary influence comes through voting rights and the ability to buy, sell, or transfer shares. In conclusion, while shareholders are generally considered the owners of a corporation, the reality is more nuanced. Corporate ownership involves a complex interplay of legal structures, shareholder rights, and governance systems. Understanding these elements is crucial for anyone involved in or considering investment in corporate entities.